Hey champions, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, I'm feeling very happy. You know why? Because I started cycling every morning around I ride around 20 to 25 kilometer every day. I took one day rest in whole week, but I ride around 80 to 100 kilometers every week. Exercise is very important. Why I'm saying this because in the beginning when I sit at home doing work from home, office job, 10 to 12 hours, sit in the front of a computer, work, sleep late in the night, wake up late in the morning. The whole 3 4 months of the lockdown went like that, and I was not happy with myself, not enthusiastic, not charged enough. No, I was living very dull and lethargic life. Just eating, sleeping, working, that's it. No entertainment, no exercise, no fun, nothing. So when lockdown gets off, I started cycling. In the beginning I just cycling around 5 kilometers a day, 10 kilometers a day. And that charged me so much. You know, in the morning when I do cycling, after doing cycling, I feel so fresh. And if you exercise, in the reward, body release dopamine. That dopamines make you feel very pleasurable. You automatically feel happy. That's the beauty of exercise. you know you exercise that benefits your body, and you also feel happy because your brain releases the dopamine. So your whole body feels joy, fresh, and energetic, charged. Even if you exercise, you don't feel tired. In the beginning, you feel tired, pain in the body. You feel to just quit doing exercise. But if you do start doing it regularly, continuously, if you do constant effort, then it becomes your habit. Then you don't feel to skip the exercise, because that becomes your part of your life. So the amount of work took me 10 to 12 hours to complete. After doing exercise, I just finished it in 6 to 8 hours. So in the beginning, I felt how I finish my office work, plus do exercise, plus take care of my health, protein, food, right amount of food, all that thing. But it just settled down. You just have to start, take first step, then everything fall in a very proper place. So you just have to make strong wish or strong will, then everything just happen the way you want it. So now I ride around 30 to 40 kilometers, 30 kilometers every day, and just went long ride in holidays. So I got some new friend. Before I was just going alone and ride and just came home. Now I have two more friends who joined me in the morning, and we three of us go play football after cycling, play cricket. It is so much fun. you don't feel bored, and playing with group is very different kind of feeling. So why I'm making this video is because exercise is very important, and if you don't feel doing exercise, then choose the sports you love to do, play. Just find out which sport you love. It can be any sport like cycling, badminton, football, cricket, even skipping rope is so important, frisbee, volleyball, basketball, any sport. Why choose cycling? Because it's very, I love cycling since my childhood, and cycling is a sport where you don't need a lot of people. If you are alone, you can also ride and do that sport as an exercise. In other sports, you need 2 3 more people to play, but cycling you can do alone. So I choose cycling because I don't have to depend on someone else. I can do it continuously even if I'm alone. So that's why I started cycling. So that makes me very happy. I love cycling, and I cycle like sometimes 50 kilometers and I don't feel tiredness. So if you do what you love, if you do what you feel interesting, then that don't give so much pain, and you feel very joyful after doing it. So you all know how important physical activity right now in such a bad condition, COVID condition. So becomes making our body strong, you need to move, you need to do exercise, you need to play some sports. So all of you, make a small step. Just do it for 15 minutes in the beginning, then slowly increase the time and slowly see how it changes your life. Then you don't need anyone else to tell you, you will do it by yourself. So in animation field, I saw so many people don't exercise. They just sit in the front of computer for 10 to 12 hours, full stressed out. They drink, they smoke, all kind of bad things they do with their body. And at the late age, 40, 50, they put all that money into the hospital because they got neck pain, back pain, blood pressure, sugar, low BP, high BP, all kind of silly. So don't waste your money in things which harms your body. Invest that money for equipment that helps you to build your physical strength, immunity system. Invest that money to buy some proteins, vitamins, good food, and make a friendship with people who are athletes or who take care of their self, physical health. So in the beginning you need that push. So those people will help you to push yourself. So if your body is not alive, then what you will do with that money which you have earned by doing so much stressful work? So health is actually wealth, not the money or property we have. If you don't have body, then how you will enjoy that money in the future? So take care of your health. That will make your mind sharp. That will help you to do very productive work. That will make your work very easy and smooth. You won't feel that much stress. Exercise is a very stress relieving process. So play any sports, do exercise, get sweat every day, be happy in life, enjoy every moment, and share your joy and happiness with others who need most. Thank you.